Start. Sir, the Election Commission had estimated that if the voting age is reduced, an additional number of 47 million will become entitled to vote. Stop. They will have to be enumerated on the basis of a door-to-door survey. Stop. The Election Commission will take necessary steps in this regard once both houses of Parliament approve the bill. Stop. With your permission, I shall now deal with the provision of the Representation of the People bill. Stop. Over the years, there has been an increasing tendency to vitiate the electoral process. Stop. Malpractices and lawlessness have been on the increase. Stop. We had therefore to think in terms of effective measures to check such evil tendencies. Stop. The Election Commission is a constitutional authority and is vested with plenary powers in the matter of superintendence, direction and control on the matters prior to and the actual conduct of elections to Parliament and legislative assemblies of the states. Stop. It is to be strengthened to take all necessary measures for ensuring frank and fair elections. Stop. As the members are aware, the Election Commission is dependent on the machinery of the state governments concerned, both in respect of the work of preparation, revision and correction of electoral rolls and the work in respect of the actual conduct of elections. Stop. Such staff functions under the superintendence, direction and control of the Election Commission in so far as the work relating to elections is concerned. Stop. They do this work in addition to their normal functions under the state government's. Stop. Thus, the state government employees are subject to dual control, one by the state government concerned in respect of the regular work and another by the Election Commission in respect of the election work. It is therefore felt necessary that the disciplinary control over the state government staff in respect of work relating to elections should be vested in the Election Commission. Paragraph change. An amendment therefore has been proposed that such staff would be deemed to be on deputation on to the Election Commission so that they are brought under its disciplinary authority. Stop. The exercise of jurisdiction by the state governments over their staff in election relation to their normal work even during the period of elections would continue to rest with the state governments. Stop. India is a parliamentary democracy based on party system. Stop. A large number of political parties are also functioning. The democratic election process is to be sustained by the political parties.